Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and look at the next question. Who is the ideal applicant for Social Security disability benefits? So, okay, if we're looking at like what's the ideal applicant, as in like the best of the best potential applicants for Social Security disability benefits that could exist when applying, that would be somebody that's like 61 years old, has had a severe impairment for years, and basically they haven't been working for a couple of years, and it's one of those situations where they're basically unable to do any functional aspects of home activities like they used to. So somebody who is 61 who when they were 58 had a stroke and it was really bad and they lost the function of their face and things like that. That would be the ideal applicant. And the reason why is they would just grid out. They would grid out. Somebody, and let me add some more details to make it more beneficial. I'll make it extreme. Right? They are an applicant who has not finished high school, can barely write their name, does not really know the English language properly. They are an applicant who has never worked highly skilled jobs. They are an applicant who has impairments that limit their ability to sit and or walk. That's going to be a winner right there. That's going to be a grid out. That's going to be a nobody really has to do anything because the medical evidence already exists. They meet the gridding requirements, and boom, if they're shooting for an SSI presumptive disability, they could potentially get that SSI presumptive disability. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I am with Disability Resolution PA, a Florida-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have any questions at all, please shoot me an email or give me a call. If you want the most up-to-date information, do the same, and we will go from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.